in this new era that is being ushered in, and we are at a cusp of this great change, how do you see Hinduism actually play a bigger role in terms of the entire world? And how do you see this propagate, and what role will it play in shaping of this new world order that is being created? And if you can also take a little bit of a geopolitical standpoint as well, that will be good.
A wonderful question. In fact, Sumanji, what we should do is, you have asked a very beautiful and very pertinent question that will help Guruji to lay down a very beautiful and strong foundation of defining Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, Sri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, and Sri Buddha Tattva Mahasadhana. So let us do one thing. Guruji is going to not just answer the question that you have asked. Let Guruji lay down the next few years for all of you. How the world is going to evolve. What will be the major transformations the world will see? How will the future look like? And then, Sumanji, immediately after that, let us take up the most fundamental question of Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana. Okay? So, Guruji is going to answer this question, and then the next question that we will address is, what is Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana? Followed by what is Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana? Followed by what is Buddhatva Mahasadhana? So that everyone who is going to listen to this Mahapravachan understands the fundamental operating energies that is going to bring about these transformations that I am going to hint at as part of this answer. But as the series progresses, the divine will further give clarity to the contours of how the next 20 to 30 transformational years will look like for the entire mankind. So, right now, Guruji will just give some tantalizing hints. That's it. But these hints are more from the perspective of laying the foundation of why it is so important for every human being to understand what is Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, to dive deep into understanding what is Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, then followed by what is Sri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, then followed by what is Buddhatva Mahasadhana. Because throughout this series of 100 episodes, you will again and again listen to these three terms, Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, Sri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, and Sri Buddhatva Mahasadhana. Thereby, whose practice is going to ensure the realization of Supreme Shiva Shakti Mahasadhana, Supreme Hindutva Mahasadhana. So let us begin. Next 20 years will be one of the most transformational era for the entire mankind. The rate of change, the rate of entropy, the rate of transformation of all aspects of human civilization is going to accelerate phenomenally. In fact, the COVID pandemic, which began somewhere around February and March 2020, leading up to the present moment, November 2021. This phase of March 2020 to March 2022, these 2 years, will be the watershed demarcation of pre-COVID human era and post-COVID human era. But not just from that perspective. We are entering an altogether new world order. A world order which will be Asia-centric, which will be Bharat-centric, and which will be Indian Ocean region Mahasadhana-centric. At an economy level, it will be blue economy-centric. The next 20 years will see lot of transformation, lot of upheaval, lot of entropy, lot of transformation. The fundamentals of way of life is going to change once for all in unrecognizable manner. We are not just entering post-COVID world, but we are entering into the era of a post-COVID, artificial intelligence augmented, AI-driven, gig economy-led, automated neo world order. A world order where rapid innovations in technological prowess, both in constructive sense and destructive sense, is going to redefine many fundamental tenets of the world order. How we live, how we govern, how we function as one world network. The progress the mankind is going to see over next 20 years in technology, in artificial intelligence, in high performance computing, somewhat in quantum computing, somewhat, but in a very different format. In intelligent manufacturing, in computer integrated manufacturing, in 4D printing and 3D printing, multi-material 3D printing, in the advent of intelligent composites, the leap and bound, both constructive and destructive progress in nanotechnology, nanorobotics, robotics in general, genetic engineering and gene editing, energy sciences, biotechnology, bioinformatics, and the massive interaction between all these advanced technologies is going to give birth to an altogether new kind of human consciousness, which is augmented by AI, advanced technologies, and advanced robotics. If the last 60,000 years has been all about the evolution of Homo sapiens, the next 30 years will be about the evolution of man-machine dynamics. Consciousness itself will be needed to be defined, redefined, redefined. Challenges posed by the various varied manifestation of climate change will have deep impact on this man-machine integrated evolution. And this will require a profound spiritual humanitarian framework to be voluntarily, empathetically implemented at a global level, at a national level, at a micro level, so that mankind evolves in a constructive manner for the welfare of all. And this is the reason why the deep understanding and practice of Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, Sri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, and Sri Buddha Tattva Mahasadhana becomes so important if we have to navigate the entire mankind constructively and spiritually, meaningfully and gainfully through the next 20 years to ensure welfare, empowerment, and enlightenment of all, of each and every human being, especially those who are vulnerable, who are disenfranchised, who are marginalized, who are weak. If we want to ensure that, we have to dive deep unto the understanding of what is Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, what is Sri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, what is Sri Buddha Tattva Mahasadhana, so that we can practice it in our day-to-day life. We can integrate it in our governance framework. not just the governance of nation states or local governance infrastructure, but also into the global technology architecture, the architecture that defines our social media, our AI frameworks, how robots think, work, and interact with mankind, our advanced missile systems, the spread of nuclear submarines, the spread of satellites covering each and every millimeter of planet Earth, how we deal with our ocean and the ocean bed, life in ocean and on land. If all this has to be constructively nurtured to ensure prosperity of all, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, then we must dive deep into understanding what is Sri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, what is Sri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, and what is Sri Buddha Tattva Mahasadhana, to implement it through our action for the welfare of all. Om Namah Shivaya.